Hello everyone. Today I'd like to say that I stopped doing binary options and I'm sick of it, and I'm gonna explain why I don't think it's worth it doing binary options anymore. For me anyway, I don't see the advantage of doing binary option. It is too many scams. As people know my channel, I expose scams, that stuff that I see it is a scam. In binary options is not different from that. You have all those people on YouTube, right? And you have all this crap here, people talking about selling systems and more systems and showing accounts, and still people don't believe me, right? They think they're trading options. At the end of the day, they're not trading options. They are betting. It's a gambling game. Binary option is a gambling game. You don't buy Euro USD. You don't buy oil, gold, whatsoever. All you do, you watch the market and you bet if it's gonna go up or down, and they give you 75 to 80% in return of your investment. And if you go here on YouTube, you see every day you have those kind of promotions with people, fake people, actors, and people making millions and millions of money with binary options and binary options. I tell you what, if binary options was so good, why the brokers was giving affiliation 350 euros for whatever deposits in their broker? Because they're so sure you're gonna lose your money. They're so sure you're not gonna make money, so they can pay affiliations to other people to come in and deposit their money, get addicted to binary options, and lose it all, deposit more, and so they can pay all these affiliations. They can make all this, softwares. In my opinion, who makes those softwares that can make lots of money are the brokers. Why? Because somebody must get in touch with them to say, look, I'm going to connect to your system, right? I'm going to connect a software to your system, and I'm going to make it I'm going to make money with your with your broker. And the broker says yes. Okay, I tell you what, ask a broker if you can connect your MetaTrader to the broker, see what they say, and you can have automatic because you can have a code in your MetaTrader. You can code in anything, and you can just let the robots take those options. If the code are so good, why they don't share their code source with others? But no, they give you excellent code, gonna give you millions, thousands a day for you. It's all for free. All you have to do is deposit 250. Those guys get 250, 350, depends how much you deposit the first time. They make those fake reviews that they're making lots and lots of money, and it's a big scam goes on, right? You're not trading anything. All you do, you're watching the markets. People playing forex stocks, they are actually buying shares. They make these stocks moves up or down, right? They're the ones. You're simply watching the markets and saying, oh, I bet it's gonna go up, I bet it's gonna go down. So I don't see the risk reward good overall the way they say. Okay, it's just making this, making that. I'm gonna explain to you guys, it is harder in binary options, but once you go to normal trading, not betting, okay? I'm gonna give you an example. Let's get this. It's okay. All right. Maybe this one here. All right. The graph is going here, and you get a position here in binary options. Here, you say gonna go up, right? And your time is over here. The graph go all the way up, stays there, and in the end comes here, and you lose 100% of your trade. In Forex, for example, you could have your stop loss over here, your take profit over here. So no matter how long this graph stay here, goes here, goes there, goes here, you know, and once touch there or touch here, you make money. So the risk you have here, as you can see, it's much smaller than your take profit over here. So you probably be risking 100 to make 300. In binary option, you risk 100 to make 75, 80%. Another thing to say that if you are in binary options, you know, and stays here all the time, you know, you can win for a peep, but you can lose for a peep as well. So it can be here, and suddenly the graph goes in your direction straight after your position, you know, and Forex, you'll be making profit because the graph is going up in your direction. So you have a better chance of winning in Forex than you have in binary options. It's a flipping coin. You know, what's the next candle gonna do? You know, the markets could go up or can go down. It's just kind of like you don't know. You probably can say, oh, the direction in a little while is gonna be towards down, but you don't know how long it's gonna take to get there. And all the brokers, all they're doing is just like, you know, making you addicted to this, paying like shitty commissions, and they make the rest. So when the broker wants for you to lose money, all the interest is the only way they're gonna make money if you lose money. That's the truth. It's the betting, it's the gambling, binary options. You're not exchanging anything. If you're exchanging cryptocurrency, Ethereum, Bitcoin, and so forth, is the same. Is the value of the currency goes up, you make more money, right? So you know you can get 5% more. If it goes down, you lose 5% of your investment, but you're losing 5. You're not losing your whole lot. Your whole money. Depends how much you want to risk. You say, oh, if the graph goes up to here, I'll lose 100. But however, I made a mistake. I want to stop here, so you lose 20. You know, instead of 100. You can always change your mind. And if the graph goes up, Neil, just say this: you're here, right? And you get it right. The graph goes up, right? Your stop loss was here. You can put it over here to break even. So if the graph suddenly just goes down crazy again, you lose nothing. However, if the graphs keep going up, you can put over here. Going up, you put over here. Go up, you put over here. And when it comes down, there we go. We have all this much profit, all over here. And binary options, not really. It's I tell you, So my advice is to don't do binary options. If you can learn, go forex, go exchange cryptocurrency, like Bitcoin, Poloniex websites, and it's the risk and rewards. It's much better. Go trade stocks. You're gonna win more than you win binary options. They such as scumbags. Those people don't make money in binary option. They're horrible traders. That's why they need to promote the scam all the time. You're making 75% of every time you win. It's a shit for risking your whole money. You risk 100% to make 75, and sometimes, like sites like this, you know, and you go here longer time, they pay 65%. Alright, you see, if you're gonna trade for a long period of time, they give you 65% because your chances of winning when the time is longer, you know, when the graph is going in one direction, it's bigger, so they pay less. So get 65% if you have the graph go all the way down in your favor. What the fuck? Stay away from this. It's not worth it. Okay? Why they gonna pay you more if you go turbo positions? Because turbo, it's they pretty much unpredictable. Hard to predict. You can lose in the last second. You know, they can go crazy. They can go absolutely crazy. You don't know what's gonna happen the next minute or so. So that's why they pay 78% here. However, some good options, for example, if you go if you want to get Apple, for example, you're watching the stocks of Apple, you know, and you know something gonna go. They say we don't have this available because it's a betting system. This is not trading system. The stocks are open for you to exchange and stuff. This is like a betting gambling site. You can be gambling in a game. It's no different than that, and say, oh, this team is gonna win versus, you know, Manchester United, you know, versus Liverpool. Who's gonna win? You bet, and you know, it doesn't matter. You're betting. The game will not change the results. So that's why I am sick of binary options. You know, the graph goes in my favor all the time, and then, you know, in the last second, it just goes here just to make me lose and go up again. You know, and forex, I'll be making money. If it goes other way around, I lose a percentage that I was willing to risk. But if you go in my favor, I just keep changing, you know, putting like stop loss here and go up, 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 up. And you see all these scams going on all the time on YouTube, like, you know, those systems. Who promotes these scams here are brokers. I am connected to the API and develop a code myself. Ask them if you can do this. They're gonna say no, you can't. But you see Bank the Binary, blah blah blah, all these brokers connected to this copy buffet bullshit, this bullshit that, and promoting and begging for you to come in and deposit your money. You're gonna be, and they call you straight away and say, no, you're gonna be making lots of money in binary options, blah 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 blah. You know, all the interest is for you to lose money. You know, why they don't share their code source and we check them out and see which indicators they use to make the, you know. But no, they say they predict weather and they tell you, they predict whatever, the winds, to predict the stock market and the forex market. It's full of shit. They're full of shit. Anyway, I gonna share with you guys my my software I'm using now for forex. The other one, however, it just gives you very few signals a week. Okay, I'm using this binary option bullet. It does not give you like few signals a week, really. It's not really strong, like give you signals all the time, but then it gives you on gold and Euro JPY and USD JPY. I'm placing forex trades in this system. So far I won 3 times. That's how many signals I got so far. It's not very, doesn't give too many signals, but I got like 300 pips in this system. You know, was saying it was going up or down. Like when there's graphs like this, I don't think I'm gonna give you anything on gold. It looks a bit mad. This 1 hour chart here. Let's see if I can go here and change here. Yes, now I'm a USD JPY, Euro USD. They pretty much look the same. Once they give the signal for one USD, they normally give for Euro as well, JPY. And I've been following those trades, and 3 trades so far. A day expiry was good. For forex I was make more money because I was, you know, risking 50 pips to get 100 pips. So I risked half than I was actually getting, and I was going in my direction. You know, for example, if you get the signal over here, you know, and you put your stop loss over here, it will never touch your stop loss. And however, if you got the signal over here, if you did, let's say for example, computer is quite slow, so yeah, let's see if we, so 357. Can you imagine, you know, if you risk 50 here, and if you continue on just putting you know, if you say, oh, I want to break even over here, I want to break even, and then you wait to go all the way up here and you get a profit here. Okay, that's why I say forex, it's risk reward much better. And I'm done with binary option. This is my video for today. It's a bit more complicated learning forex, a little bit more, you know, but however, it's worth learning, you know. Once you learn how to read graphs and stuff like this, and forget about binary options, go trade stocks, go trade cryptocurrency. You know, a very good website, it's Poloniex, that I really like it, and it's no affiliation in those things. It's only an exchange market for cryptocurrencies. Excellent, excellent. So here you can check it out. Anyway, thanks for watching.